Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is painted in rapid red. You've got a few key features here like remote entry keypad. You've got blind spot mirrors that are heated, a nice leather armrest on the interior here, your power window controls, manual operated cloth seats with a third row bench seat. Looking at your dash here, you've got a pre-collision warning right up there on the dashboard. And then you've got various settings in here with driver's assist and vehicle settings. You've got trip and fuel, lots of key features in here. On the steering wheel, you've got cruise control on the left, and you get your hands-free and media controls on the right. Your steering column here with drive modes, normal, towing and hauling, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. Sync 3 sound system with built-in 4G hotspot, satellite radio, Ford Pass Connect, and Bluetooth for your phone. A locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your climate controls are down there, and then below that is 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. Over here you have another 12-volt outlet. Your center console, you've got a center console here with 2 cup holders, where it acts as a third row bench seat, and you have more than 5 passengers. Coming out of the back, get a 4x4 sticker on the side here. Get your chrome rear bumper. Tow hitch is installed down there. You've also got a rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. Built-in tailgate step. Drop-in bed liner. Lots of space back here. You get some lights back there to light up the truck bed at nighttime. Taking a look into the back seat, you've got cloth seating in the rear. It does fold up for stow and go storage for your cargo. You've got pockets behind your front seats here for papers or anything. A 12-volt outlet just right there in the center console, and then you've got 2 cup holders. You've got a dome light up top there. You've also got hooks on top of the roof to hang bags or clothes or anything you might need to. Behind this back seat, you've got storage here where your jack is. And if we take a look at the front, you've got a chrome front bumper with a chrome grille, halogen headlights and fog lights. You've also got tow hooks and a plug for a plow if you do choose to hook up a plow to this truck. All around a very nice truck. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today to talk to your sales advisor about getting you to this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.